Alright, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to do a transmission drain and fill on this Acura TSX. I just bought this car, I guess maybe a week ago, but I do this to every car that I get, especially if it has low miles. That way I can set the record. If I do it at such and such time, then guess what? I'm gonna do it 30,000 miles later, or maybe sooner, who knows. But this one here has, as you can see, 55,234 miles on it. And a lot of people are gonna say, oh, that's too soon, you don't have to do that. Well, each his own. But for me, I do it the way I know and the way my school taught me, and this will allow longevity for your vehicle. And this one here is a 2012, so you can do this from 2009, 2014. Even other Acuras are pretty much the same way. I just want to show you how to drain and fill the transmission. So basically right now I got it heating it up. You don't really have to do this, but it allows the transmission fluid to get thinner and hotter, and it drains a little bit better. Alright, so this is what you're going to need to do this. You're going to need these transmission fluid drain plug washers. I got these off of Amazon. I think that was like $6. And you want to get the original. Don't go with don't just put anything in it, because you're going to have problems. So I have basically 5 of these, and we're going to get this party started. Alright, if you don't know where the transmission dipstick is, it's this yellow handle here. You just simply pull it out and check your fluid here. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to drive it up on this ramp here. I only have just one ramp, which is on the driver's side. Now you can use 2 ramps if you want, but I just like to do it this way because the transmission is on the driver's side, and if you give it an angle, it'll flow better. And then I'm not sure, but it may drain more fluid out than usual if you had it on 2 ramps. All right, next what we're going to do, we're going to remove these bolts. That one right there, a Phillips head, and I believe it's 4 of those that's holding this pan on. So you have to remove that. So just look around. I'll show you another one right there, and it should be 2 on the back side. All right, next what you want to do, so y'all can see, I have a 3/8 drive that fits right into the drain plug here. You can't miss it. It's very easy to spot. But that's your drain plug. We're gonna loosen this thing up. Now this job could get messy, and I suggest you have a bigger pan, because I don't want to get this all over my driveway. As you can see how dirty it is, just them drops. Just look how dirty the drops are. And this is at 55,000 miles. That's very dirty. And here's your magnet. Now you see how it looks right now. You have metal shavings, which you're going to get that no matter what. But what you're trying to do is minimize chunks, because there's no way you can just stop this from happening. So we're gonna let this drain. All right, I wanted y'all to see this in the sun so you can actually see how dirty it is. Now I'm about to wipe it off so you can see the difference. As you can see, it's totally different. And this is what I wiped off. So it is very important that you do this. So once it gets done draining, you put this plug back in, but you want to move this old washer here and put a new one on. That way it won't leak and it'll seat better like it's supposed to. So it's done draining. I put the plug back in, so now it's time to fill it up. So it looks as though it may be maybe about 3 quarts came out. Not sure, but I'm gonna definitely put 2.5 in first, and then we're gonna start it up, and I'm gonna let you know what to do after that. All right, so right now I just poured the old fluid into the newer jugs. So basically what I did, I emptied one of these quarts into the transmission, then I put this old in this one, just like I did this one. So right now 2 quarts, and we still have some in here. So I'm gonna say that's at least a 1/2 quart or more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a 1/2 quart in the car, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do next. So I'm gonna start the car up. And what I'm gonna do before I even remove it off the ramp, I'm gonna go through each gear twice. That way, all the transmission will flow through the valve body. All right, and then you do that one more time. I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. I just wanted to show y'all. And once I take it off the ramp, I'm gonna let it come up to operating temperature, and then I'm gonna keep checking it. So stand by for that. All right, it came up to operating temperature. Now it's time to check the fluid. I hope y'all can see this, but if you can't, the fluid level is about right there. And I'm just gonna add that other quart, well, 1/2 quart to it, and I believe that should top it off. So basically it seems as though I needed 3 quarts, but don't go by what I say. Always check it, double check it, triple check it. So after adding, my level is right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. If not, I'm still going to bring it up to this double dot, well, the higher dot here. That's where I just like to put it. It ain't going to hurt it. I just like to keep mine full. I don't want it way down there. I want to keep it full all the way to the top here. But if this video was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you check for leaks. Make sure you go through your gears and everything and take it on a test run. And that's exactly what I'm want to do. I'm gonna take it on a test run, see how it's shifting. If you want to see that, stay tuned. It's going to be at the end of this video here. All right, we out here test driving it. I'm about to take it on the freeway, and right now it's feeling great. Feels like a new car. But I will be doing this again at like I said, probably 50,000, another 15,000 miles or 20,000 miles. So yeah, we'll try to get up above 60 for y'all. Now this road I'm about to get on right here is a real steep incline, so this will really test the transmission out, see how good it's going to perform. But I have no doubt in my mind it's going to do what it's supposed to do. All right, we have 55. There's a car in front of me here. I'm gonna shoot past him real quick. shakiness. It's so bumpy out here. A lot of dips. We getting up there very quickly. I'm gonna slow it down. No cops stopping me or anything, getting a ticket. But I just wanted to show y'all. I tell you what, it shifts out like a brand new engine right now. I mean, transmission right now. So I'm telling you, just do this to your car. It only took me 30 minutes to do this. The longest part was probably, I don't know, letting it drain and putting it on the lift, well, the ramps. But other than that, I think everything is lovely. Make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.